Okay guys, here we are trading live, trading US30 live. Guys, I just had my sell stop here. I've just put my sell stop here, so just in case the price was dipping in, I just put my sell stop there. Then let me work out my TP, and let me just try to work out my TP level and my stop loss, because I was just in a hurry here, guys. I won't lie, I was just in a hurry on this one. So I'm expecting price at least to give me a drop, because of just to try to respect this base and give me a drop. But I'm not saying that the price will drop. Remember the analysis. Remember that we are waiting for the main trade, so we can have an FTR at this point. Then after having an FTR, then the price can just go up. H4, H1. You will see what happens whenever I'm in a trade. Is not like when you are not in a trade, because when you are in a trade, the emotions are running. I do not want to lie, the emotions are taking place. Okay, I saw it being like, let me go to the smaller time frame. Okay, just right above the highs here, just right above the highs here. It was on 1 minute, right above the highs. At this point, this trade is too risky. Let me see what happened. Yes, I'm not gonna let it take me out, because remember that I have a breaker and a mitigation here. So one risk, that will be fine. I'm waiting to see how the price react at this point. Like I said, guys, this was a low probability trade, but here's the high probability trade. Let me see if I can try to get in and capitalize more on this one. Let me see if I can get in and try to capitalize more on this one, guys. After price went into mitigation area right on H1, and let's see how it will play out. So this, sorry guys, I was late, but this will be the setup. This will be the real setup for just right above here, $7, the normal one. Then the first aim will be this one. After doing that, the first aim will be this one. The first target will be that one right there. I'm now opening on my, I opened the positions on my laptop, guys. I opened the positions on my laptop. This thing took time. Let me move. Let me change this into at least something better. So I'm into this trade, guys. Hopefully it plays out very well. Then aiming will aim high, but we'll not going to talk about the scales here. We'll not talk about anything here. We'll just want to see the price dropping down. That's all what we want to see. Let me see here. You see, this is what is happening, guys. We'll want to see the price just dropping down here at this point. And once the price is dropping down, we'll then start to aim for our TPs. We'll start to aim for our TPs. Let's leave this one. Too much emotions here. Entry one, remember the less entry. the low entry that we took, it was somewhere around here. So you can see, guys, I explained something on one of the videos, guys, that, let me just put it here, that I will not use all my risk on just this trade, because the trade can, the market can just dip in just to give us the better price for discount. So you can see, look at this risk reward, you see. So let's try to capitalize on this one. Maybe try first TP, second TP. But on first TP, remember, we are trading against the trend. We are trading against the trend. We are trading against the trend. Let's see the stop losses. Just to risk less, even if we lose, we can lose. $6 here. How much is here? $2. That will do that will be the total of $8. Let's see how we can capitalize on this, guys. Let's just see if it can push further down and try to capitalize on it. Maybe $20 or something can be made out of this one. Okay, I will lose like $10, and which is a lot, guys. Which is a lot. Let's wait for 50% here to be triggered. Let's wait. Let's go. Let's move out on this one. So my stop losses are around somewhere here. My stop losses. The only reason why I'm doing this like this, it's because I want to check my discipline part. Is the reason why I am doing this live, guys. Is the reason why I am doing this live. The news effects, I saw something today, I'm not sure. Let's check what the news are saying. I was late on that one, guys. Like, I was really late on that one. So we'll just see how it plays out. We'll just have to see. We'll just have to wait and see. Wait and see, guys. You see, the skill is there, guys. Like, the skill is there. I don't want to lie. The skill is there, guys. Like, the skill is there. Where's my level of TP? Let me just... Yeah, let's just wait and see if the price can hit this point right here. 50% is going for 50% of this base. Let's see what will happen on that one. Let's just wait and see. What is our target area? So we'll target the first area like here, 29,930. 29,930. Let's fix 29,930, 29,930, 29,970, 29,930. Oh, it's below somewhere. Okay. I guess the TPs are okay where they are at this point. Now this, I'm waiting for this to violate this level. And once it can violate this level at this point, if it can violate this level, then I can now adjust my risk. Then I can run a risk-free trade. I can then run my normal risk-free trade. Let's see what we come up in here. Okay, it's pushing up. Because it can just come and collect, and after collecting and just leave. You can see, guys, the skill is there, but there's something that is going to work against your skill, which is fear of losing your real money. So it's the reason why I'm doing this right now, so that I can be like, okay, my stop loss are around here. The reason why I'm doing this live is because I want to get rid of the fact that I'm losing money here. So with you guys, with me communicating with you, we're trying to deal with what they call what is this thing? The fear of losing money. The skill is there, but because money is involved, so different things will happen. Everything is there, everything is solid, like everything is solid. It's just that the fear of losing money, guys, the fear of losing money. As I promised, guys, I would like to take this. We'll see how it plays. Then, after seeing it playing, then what we'll normally do is that we'll see if we can secure here or we can move with it. But looking at our here, looking at our what is this? Looking at our levels, we have an FTR which we are aiming for. Then the buys, but this is also low probability trade, guys. You saw how I started. This is also low probability trade, so we will go for what we're aiming for. This maybe if we can secure and let the price drive, maybe it can give us the normal entry there. But most cases, FTR, most definitely they do happen, and it's after a breaker, and a breaker is responsible 100% for FTR. In order for us to have an FTR, we must have a breaker, because FTR does what? Because FTR what is this? FTR, they test on a breaker. Here's the institutional level. I sense this to be another institutional candle, so we'll see. Even if it hits us, even if the risk is high, but we'll see what will happen. Price is still playing around this level, around this area. But either way, let's see how it plays. Oh, we talked about the news. Let's see what the calendar has for us. We talked about the news. PMI negative. What was this? When was this? This was Monday. Come on. Wednesday, we here. Where are we? We here. We here. Let's see how the PMI will work. Will do. Let's see what the PMI will do. Okay, guys. Suppose this was a manipulation. Suppose there was a manipulation that was taking place there. Just look at this. Just came in because of NYSE. The stop losses will be hid. Anyway, I'm glad that I played this one live, guys. I'm glad that I played this one live, even if the stop losses get hit. But I'm glad that I did play this one live, guys. Remember, I moved my stop losses somewhere around here. So even if they get hit, I'm glad I did play. I'm glad I played this one live, guys. I'm glad I played this one live. Let's see. I've put my stop loss somewhere around here. And they're about to get hit somewhere near the entry, so that remember that I had the first entry at 50%, where I could have just waited, but remember, history is a great teacher. So I didn't have much with my broker. I couldn't use lesser lot size than the one I used. So it's the reason why we're having what we're having at this point. But let's see how it plays out. Let's see if this can go black. We just need this guy to go black, and if this guy can go black like I'm here, then I'm telling you guys, we okay, we alright. Okay, it seems like we are out. We're going to be out. It seems like we're going to be out. Here's something that I've seen, guys. Equal highs, then it came to retest this. Now it came to retest this to go for buys. It came to retest this to go for buys at that 50% that we had ourselves. So we're taking back what we made on Monday. We're taking back to the market what we made on Monday. This was the entry that made us fall for the trap. But either way, guys, is the reason why I said we do not want the trade to, we do not want to regret and say if only if we could have taken that trade. But anyway, I'm glad I had to record this one live. And I'm growing this account, guys, with you, this small account with you. I would like to grow this small account with you. And another thing, while you watch the market like this, is so dangerous because the emotions are going up and down, up and down. Going on positive, you are okay. Going on negative, trying to hit the stop loss. As you can see, try to hit the stop loss, bad emotions. So guard against that, guys. Guard against that. Let's see how it plays out. Only if it can give us the low, we'll be happy just to run a risk-free trade. That is the goal, to run a risk-free trade, less emotions. You know what I'm saying? That will be good, like that will be great. That will be very, 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 very good. But this is a low probability trade. Low probability trade. The main trades are here. Here are the main trades, guys. Here are the main trades. The main trades are here. That is a low probability trades. Be careful. The equal highs and the liquidity. So what is the liquidity? Liquidity standing is resting here in a form of stop losses, is resting here in a form of buy stops and the like. That can happen. Why not happening? Because it's us. No, it doesn't work like that. The market doesn't know who you are. Look at this amount. You'll find somebody say the market, they're working against me with this amount. Some people are funny, you know. Some people are funny, guys. As you can see, we're just sharing knowledge here, and I hope I can hold my emotions here. Hope I can hold my emotions, because if it was me back then, I would just go out of this trade. I really hope I can hold my emotions until the TP hit the second green bar. We need to see the second green bar. We need to see the second green bar here. We really, really, really need to see the second green bar. So let's see how it's going to play out. XM Global Limited. Let's see what is happening. What is happening? Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2. 50% on the entry. Okay, that can be great. This can be great. They've just printed an institutional candle. This can be great, guys. This can be really great. I don't want to lie. This can be great. Lower time frame, a lot of noise. And as you can see, the smart money are preparing themselves here. They are preparing themselves. You don't know whether they are done or not. They can just come and whip you out here. This is what is happening. They can just come and grab the liquidity, as we talked about, just to take your stop loss in the form of your stop loss. Then after taking the liquidity in the form of your stop loss, and they will just have to take you out here. They will take liquidity here in the form of stop losses. So I rushed to bring my stop losses closer, but I wouldn't risk that because it was more risk for me to take. So I'll just let it slide. Maybe we can learn 1 or 2 out of this trade. Maybe we can learn 1 or 2 out of this trade. There's most definitely, like, the play out here. It's nice. It's very nice. Let's see it from there. You see, this is what happened on Monday. This is what is going to happen. This is what happened on Monday. Remember that the liquidity is resting here. It needs to be taken out. The liquidity, there's a liquidity here resting in a form of buy stops. So I'll take the liquidity, then continue with the move. Anyway, we give it to the market today. It did what it had to do, but we gonna get it. And also another thing, the rush and this load shedding, the rush to come into the market, the rush to trying to turn on the computer and the like, they add up also. They add up to this loss, guys. But anyway, you can see how it played out. And after what is this? After this trade is done, we'll be done. Then we'll start to look for ways how we could have played it better, or maybe this is the best trade, best entry, remember. But as you can see, but we'll see. We'll see what the market presents. Then afterwards, we'll just take a breath. We'll just breathe for a while. Then after breathing, then we'll have to come and see what happened. Where did we go wrong? How can we improve next time? Because it's all about improvement, guys. It's all about improvement. It's written here. Practice makes improvement. So it's all about improvement here, guys. It's all about improvement. As you can see, my stop loss is being hunted. Hey? 1, 2, the emotions were not the same in all instances right here. Emotions were not the same in all instances right here. I would like to see the break and a retest so that I can play a risk-free trade. You know what I'm saying? So that I can play a risk-free trade. But now you can see the volume. The guys are fighting. Liquidity is resting here, guys, in a form of a... Remember, you who are going to buy, liquidity is resting here in a form of what? In a form of a buy stops and our stop losses. So if they can take those ones out, then they can have enough money to drop the market. But here is the thing, here's the goal, here's the key, guys. I forgot to show you on the analysis. Hope you're going to get it here. I forgot to show you on the analysis, guys, like how is the market, how is this area a high probability zone, how is this area a high probability zone. If you can see, check right here, check this out, whether being a channel, being a wedge, whatsoever it is. But after this trend line has been broken, it needs to be retested, where this is TP1. If you're trading retail, you would know that this was TP1. You're supposed to take your take profit. And now what is it that I'm selling? I am selling what? Now I am selling the what is this? Now I'm selling I'm selling for the retest. I'm selling just to get a retest on this one, and then the retest, it will be like footprint. It will be like a footprint. This retest will be like a footprint. We're like waiting for the retest. Maybe if we can take a spin right here, just to take a spin for market to drop, take a spin, and then it will go. Then we have that head and shoulder right there. This is how it's done, guys. Oh, wow. Oh, remember there's an event we talked about. There's something around 4 o'clock. 4 p.m. There's something around 4 p.m. guys. There's something around 4 p.m. Wednesday, right? All day 4. We here. Guys, you see the power of waiting. Look at this. Can you see the power of waiting? Like, can you really see the power of waiting, guys? So no matter whatever it happens, let me just play my risk-free trade here. I will just trail with you guys. After this candle has given me the week. Oh, that's the risk-free trade. Okay, guys, this is what happened today. I tried, the stop loss was not okay. It hit the stop loss, that's fine. But this is what happened, and it hunted the stop loss. I wanted to I thought maybe this candle will drop and take me out. But anyway, it's fine. As you saw what happened, guys. This was a better move. I was supposed to wait for this to happen before I could move my stop loss. But with the volume, as you see right here, what is happening, we'll see if we can take the real trade, because we didn't lose this one. You see, we didn't lose this one. We'll see, we lost 10 cents here, but we made $4 here, so we made like around $5. Yes, this is what I was supposed to do when the price was here, and then maybe try to capitalize on that one. But okay, what happened. What happened. Guys, let's wait for the real trade. Let's wait for the real trade and see what we can do with it. Let's wait for the real trade. This going down, not waiting for TP, but it hit the stop loss. I am not allowed. Here's the thing, guys. I'm not allowed now. Okay, this was good. Wow. I was supposed to put my stop loss at least here to take something. You see, my TP is hit. I am not allowed to just lock out. Either I need to hit the stop loss or a TP. So I just made a boss move there, try to protect. But I was early. Few seconds early. You can see I was just like 10 seconds early. If I could have got it like that, but I'm happy I did this live, and I need to rewatch the video and see what I could have done better on this trade. But guys, I'm telling you, I'm not lying. I'm telling you, the concept works. Look at this. With your 30 pips stop loss, the concept works. This moves like 120 pips. This is like a TP, guys, with you. This is like it's going to hit the first TP. Where's that first TP? This is like going to hit the first TP. Oh, the new H4 candle. I didn't see that one coming, and I was watching it. So either way, anyway, guys, let it hit my TP. Let this thing hit me a little. And one other thing that I would like to know to make you aware of, guys. I'm transitioning. I lost a lot of money until I get to learn the strategy, and then now I'm on my humble beginnings. So what will happen if, guys, you believe, now I'm setting up the trend. I want to see this account on its own. You see, now we are reducing that loss. At least we are taking what's ours from the broker. Okay, as I was saying, guys, what I want to see this moves to from this $12, $4, move this to 120. At least add the zero below. At least adding the zero below, seeing where we are going. So that's the goal. That's the short-term goal. And I'm giving myself like less than a month or so, depending on, this will depend on how much time do I get to trade. So this will depend on that, guys. So let's grow together, guys. Let's grow together. And if you are watching this video at the early stages, now it's October 2022 is the 5th of October, Wednesday. So if you catch this video at the early stage, know that, guys, this is the humble beginnings. I would like to grow with you. Please subscribe, share, tell me what I could have done better on this one. I could have waited, whether I could have waited here. Now remove the stop losses and put them here. Just share your insight here, guys. Share your insight. I will see you on the next one. Let us not waste more, and let me go back and take a breather. While waiting for the real trades. And by the way, I'm not that much worried about this, because remember, guys, I'm not that much worried because we have the trade here. We have our trade here. But this trade, beware. This trade will be like what? This trade will be like the very same trade that we took. Remember what happened here. The very same trade. We took the trade here, the stop loss above. See, we took trade here, stop loss above. So that waiting to take the second trade, and then we pinpointed, we took the second trade at this level. This is where smart money plays. You see, no drawdown. Like, you see, we could have even missed it. Let's remove this. You see, no drawdown, guys. This is how much the skill work. No drawdown. I could have waited for this and take this sucker right here and drive it down. No drawdown. That's how you should play it. No any other way. That's how you should play it. So let me just go take a breather, guys. Let me just go take a breath, and then after, then I'll see how I can attack. How can I attack the market going forward? But guys, thanks for watching. Please share with other guys. Just give me a motivation, because without that, I will share live with my small group here, which will add value to them. Because if I don't see any value, I won't get any motivation. I know that motivation is not the key to just motivation is not the key. And remember that you need to be persistent. You need you need to show up. But just for that part, to see that, guys, you really appreciate the value that I'm sharing, please share, guys. Share. We bring other members on board. And if I can have like 5,000 views within 2 or 3 months, maybe at some point I will just take small group and try to do it live now on YouTube. Try to do it live. Try to trade it live, so we can interact and talk about it. Can make it nice. But you can see how we could capitalize, guys. Look at this. We took our entry here, the second entry here, and the price moved to like 170 pips, and we are waiting for the price to reach here 290 points. But we were waiting for our first TP was like here. You see, it was missed a little bit. So be careful, guys. I'll see you in the next video, guys.